Hi, this is Dr. Michelle Ehrig. In this video, I'm going to take you into a grid as though you are a student. So in a previous video, when we created a grid, we had to type in not the student's full name, but like first name, last initial, and then some kind of code. I recommend like the last 4 or 5 digits of their student ID number. If they only have 4 or 5 digits, maybe the last 3 digits, because you don't want to give all the identifiable information to this online service. Okay, so one of my codes that I had was, I believe, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll type that in and hit let's go. Not do this. So now this is what the students would see. And once they're in, I'm going to show you what they're going to do. So they will, this word moderated means that the videos can't go live unless I approve it. And that's a good technique if, one, you're building trust with your students in terms of how to make their presentations online. 2, if maybe it's a topic that kids are still learning, so you don't want them to watch videos about inaccurate information. Or 3, if it's a homework assignment and you don't want them to watch someone else's video, get the answers of how to do it, and then do it themselves and copy it. So I'm going to hit the plus sign. They can also do this on the phone, which is fantastic. I'm going to click allow, and that's going to allow them to use my microphone and my video. So I have now allowed them to reuse my audio and my video. So now I'm no longer in my screencast screen. I am in the actual Flipgrid screen. So now I'm just going to hit record. And then I always have my students say their name. Hi, this is Michelle, and I'm in your second period class. Today I'm going to talk to you about one-step equations. First, you have to define the variable. So you might be like, let x equals. And so if it says like there's 5 pencils and there's 10 pencils altogether, I might write like x plus 5 equals 10. Okay, so that was what my video was. And then the kids can watch it and then do it again. They can also come right here and see what the assignment is. I encourage my students to do these stickies because here they can type their notes ahead of time. So maybe I might say, okay, I need to do 2 problems, 1-step equations, and then maybe I'm explaining x plus 5 equals 10, something like that. So I do encourage them to look at this. I also encourage my students to have a sticky because now watch what I can do instead. I'm going to click this X for the redo. You can do it. Try again. So this is Michelle. I'm in your first period class. And the first equation I'm going to tell you is x plus 5 equals 10. And I know that I'm adding 5, so I need to do the opposite operation or the inverse operation, which means when I subtract 5 from both sides, I get x equals 5. So as you can see, that definitely was a much better video because I knew what I was doing. I used a sticky. So please encourage your students to do that. And then we'll go on to the next screen. Okay, so now the students need to watch their video to make sure it's acceptable. Let's take a look. The first equation I'm going to tell you is x plus 5 equals 10. They can also add a title. They can add more to it. They can attach a video. They can also attach or write more on their sticky. They can edit it by cropping the video if there's something that they want to move. And I know that I'm adding 5. And then when they're done, they go ahead and they hit next. Now they get to take a selfie. So I can be like, woohoo. Like, I can't even make selfie faces. You know, gotta go, Ooh, and then there's all different stickers that they can use and put in. So I've got like amazing. And my kids really, sometimes I feel they spend more time doing the stickers and making their screenshot than they do actually doing the video. And then after that's done, you just hit submit. And then they can't look at it anymore because the video is moderated. So we're going to stop this video here. It's Dr. Chelle. Have a great day. Ciao.